We were at a restaurant thing, so I.
Why are you taking your? Are you videotaping or just taking a picture?
I'm videotaping.
In the bathroom.
In the bathroom.
Oh, you're supposed to be stripping.
Yes.
Give me that.
Say hello to YouTube. Say hi, people.
This is my first time on YouTube.
Woo!
It is? Oh yeah, you were with us when we were doing.
Try me. And I'm skipping to this.
Yay.
It's
So,
not gonna be good.
I'll hold the camera while you go strip.
fine here. Okay. And there's
No.
And into the stall she goes. And don't you know? Should we pause this? Why did we do that?
That was funny as hell.
Yes, it was.
It's not what it looks like. Did you see Lena peering over the stall? No.
She was looking right at you.
And then the girl came in and yeah.
That was awkward.
And then she gets down and she's like, it's not what it looks like, and went back to the classroom.
Lena, Aaliyah, if you want me to stop this, what button do I hit? I honestly have no idea what button I am supposed to be hitting right now. Is it the function set button?